If your Steam game was rejected after submission, here's exactly what to check and fix before resubmitting. First, log into Steamworks and open your game's dashboard. Go to Review Feedback or Release Checklist and read the rejection notes carefully. Steam always lists the exact reason for rejection, such as missing store assets, incorrect settings, or policy issues. Do not resubmit until every listed issue is addressed. Next, check your store page. Make sure all required fields are complete, including descriptions, screenshots, capsule, images, pricing, and content ratings. Confirm that your store assets meet Steam's image size and format requirements. Missing or incorrect store assets are one of the most common rejection reasons. Now open builds and confirm your latest build is uploaded, active, and launches correctly through Steam. Test the game from your Steam library to ensure it runs without errors. Once everything is fixed, return to the checklist and resubmit for review. If it's rejected again, review the new feedback before contacting Steam support. That's how to fix a Steam game rejected after submission and get it approved.